Now this triangle is given and it's given that these two sides are equal. In this question, we have to basically find the value of x. So because this angle is 42 degree, this will also be 42 degree. The reason is isosceles triangle. Because both of these sides are equal, so this makes an isosceles triangle. Now, we don't need it, but we can find this angle also. This would be 180 minus the other two angles of the triangle, minus 42 minus 42. That's going to give us 96 degree. So this would be 96 degree. Now this is 42. We can find the remaining angle because sum of both these angles will be 180. Because it's a straight line, so they'll make a linear pair. So this would be 180 minus 42. That would be equal to 138 degrees. Now this is also an isosceles triangle. So these two angles will also be equal. In isosceles triangles, if the sides are equal, then the base angles are equal. We already have our x. So we can take these both as A and A. So here also A plus plus this 138 degree, sum of all the three angles will be 180 degree. So 2A will be 42, A will come as 21 degree. Now from here we can directly find the value of x. I'll tell you both the methods. If you directly want x, then there's a formula. That sum of two interior angles is always equal to exterior angle. So sum of these two angles will be equal to this exterior angle. So x can be directly written as A, that is 21 plus 40. That would be 63 degrees because sum of two interior angles is exterior angle. If you don't like this formula, we can do alternate method also. This is a straight line, na? Sum of all the angles here should be 180. So x plus A, that is 21, plus this angle, that is 96, should be equal to 180 degree. Because sum of all the angles in the straight line should be 180. So from here also you can find x. This will also come as 63 degrees. So this is the answer. X is equal to 63 degrees. And remember to do this, please.